Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Fiddler Everywhere on Windows. So let's get started. For this, I'm going to use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to enter Fiddler download and press enter. You will get the first link, download Fiddler web debugging tool. Select it. Now on this page, you need to scroll down and click on try Fiddler Everywhere. So this will take you to the download page. So Fiddler Everywhere, it's a tool which you can use to debug your network traffic to deliver high quality products. So this software is available for Windows, as you can see, also for Apple and Linux operating system. So we are going to download for Windows. Select this button. Now this will start the download. Once the download is complete, click on open. I'll minimize the web browser. Over here, select I agree. You can select here anyone who uses this software, all users. Click on install. Get a pop-up, select yes, then click on I agree. Then click on finish. This will launch the Fiddler Everywhere. You can also start from this desktop icon. So Fiddler Everywhere, it's basically a cross-platform web debugging tool. So to use this software, you need to sign in or create an account. Now let's click on it. Over here, you can enter your email ID to sign in or create an account. I'll just go with the sign in with Google. Then click on create account. Now you can see the message you have successfully signed in. Now go back to the app, select it, click on open debugging tool. So we have got back to the software. Okay. Over here, click on I acknowledge, click on accept. So start your 10 days free trial. You can click here to start free trial, but over here you can see during the trial you can inspect multiple protocols, then inspect the traffic from remote devices. You can modify the traffic with the rules and breakpoints. You can search and filter the request. You can also repeat, edit and compose request. So basically you can test the network traffic. You can also debug, then export capture traffic, means you can take the snapshots of it. You can collaborate with the team. And the bonus is the Fiddler Everywhere is compatible with Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So it supports major platforms. Then click on start free trial. It comes with the 10 days free trial. Over here it guides you with the take a quick tour. You can take it. I'll just skip it for now. So that's how the interface of the software looks. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.